class, I have a few students ask me whether they can draw the genogram without using the computer program, and the answer is yes, you may. And I'm going to show you a very easy 3 steps of how to make a very easy genogram. Remember that I just need to make sure that you understand that the purpose of the genogram and some of the basic function of genogram. And this is my recommendation. I would suggest you to follow the easy 3 steps. The first step is for you to think about person. Think about the people that in your family, and then gather at least 2 information about the person. It could be the name, it could be the year they were born, their birthday, or the city they reside. And the second step will be you will plot the family relation first. Are they married? Are they divorced? No, and so there's a family relation first. And then the last, not the least, then you plot the emotional relations. All right, for example, for gather the personal information, we are going to use Prince George of Cambridge. He is the royal prince of Great Britain, and I'm using the Windsor family and the Middleton family as examples to spark students' interest. And I do not know how accurate the information are, so those are my speculation. So that I hope that that I'm just using them because they are well known. All right, and I think that Prince George is just cutest prince that currently. So. All right, so you see that, this is Prince George, the year he was born, and his official title is Prince George of Cambridge. And now let's look at his parents. So if you just want to draw something easy, it would be something like this, right? Your Prince George, and you have mom's Kate, father is William, and their birth year, they were married, so I put the N for 2013. So this is a family relation example. Now that if you want to look at their emotional relation, it will look something like this. Okay. All right. So do you see that I put double green line to indicate close relation? So again, this is my speculation, and I think that judging from the very brief news I saw about royal family, I think that both parents are very devoting and very loving. So I put emotional relations as close. All right. So then you also know that this is the divorce also occurred, right? So Prince Charles was married to Princess Diana. Princess Diana died in 1997, and they were divorced in 1996. And then Prince Charles remarried Camilla, and then this is remember the black lines are the family relations. So I want you to think about plotting the family relation first. Remember your person, you have personal information first. You might want to think about for each person of your family, can you name 2 things about them? And then you're going to put them together. And then you plot the family relation first. Okay, so remember you're going to include a key for me, right? So you're going to include a key for me. They're male, female. This is the student. This is marriage. This is the divorce. And then after you have the personal information, you have the family relation, and then you are going to plot the emotional relations for me. So that I put hostile in the red, and close is double green line, distant is kind of blue, dotted, dots. So that again, this is speculation. So I put some close relationship, and some have to be distant relationship, and then I have to demonstrate a conflictual one. So I just randomly pick different people to show you that how to indicate those different kind of emotional relations. All right, I hope this is helpful. Again, that please use your checklist to make sure that you got everything. And remember that I do not know your family at all, that you do not have to include all the aunts and uncles if you happen to have a lot of family members, but I do require you should have at least 6 people in your family in your genogram, and also that you will have indicate at least 6 emotional relations, and you also need to include 3 generation, and also that you have to make sure that the presentation is clear and organized, so I know I can it's easy for me to know that where are the 3 generations and the relationship. So try to be neat. Okay, all right, and then again, if you can use a computer program, that's great. And remember, this is just a part 1, right? Genogram, the graph is part 1. You have to look at the part 2, which is the genogram paper, and there are 6 questions, and you will answer those questions and then submit everything to me online if possible. If you cannot submit online because it's a hand drawn genogram, you can email me the graph and make sure the quality is good so I can see, or that you can send it to my office, which is Lavender 4200. All right, have a fabulous day.